There's at least 190 people infected with the coronavirus in Maryland. The new cases come as the FDA announces a new test detecting the virus faster. Hello again, I'm Max McGee. The state is mourning the loss of a second victim to the coronavirus. A man in his 60s died in Baltimore County. You've also just learned a member of the Montgomery County Police Department tested positive for COVID-19, and the National Guard is now here. Stetson Miller is live in downtown Baltimore with new information from City Council President Brandon Scott. Stetson.
Max, Brandon Scott told us today that he's urging everyone to still stay inside to stop the spread of the virus. And he also told us about why the National Guard is here in Baltimore.
The most important thing that any of us can do this weekend and while we're going through this is stay at home.
City Council President Brandon Scott is continuing to stress to everyone in Baltimore City to stop leaving their homes unless they absolutely must go out.
People will die, but more people will die if we continue to be irresponsible.
This comes less than a day after the first person in Baltimore County died from COVID-19. The victim was a man in his 60s with underlying health conditions.
My prayers go to the family and friends of the loved one of the Baltimore County resident we lost. It's a stark reminder of just why we have to take this social public health crisis so seriously.
There are now 190 cases of the virus in Maryland, according to the state health department. 2 people in the state have died. Today, new cases were confirmed for the first time in Queen Anne's and Caroline counties. An employee at T. Rowe Price in Baltimore also tested positive for coronavirus. We also learned a member of the Montgomery County Police Department is infected. The department says the police officer had limited interaction with the public, but they are notifying anybody who may have encountered the officer. Now the National Guard has arrived in the city for humanitarian assistance.
The National Guard is in Baltimore City, helping with food, helping with logistics for hospital, for healthcare reasons, right? They are not here for any other reason other than that.
And County Executive Johnny Olszewski pointed out that while a shelter-in order has not been put in place yet, he says that the more that people congregate, the closer we could come to that. Live at M&T Bank Stadium, Stetson Miller for WJZ.